My video guide will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the new ransomware from the DJVU family, which is called BOWD. First of all, my video guide is solely for the educational purposes. I'm not promoting this ransomware. I'm not related to this ransomware. I'm showing you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. So before the ransomware attack, you are able to open your files without troubles. Unfortunately, after the ransomware attack, it is not possible to use the files anymore because the files get damaged and encrypted by this ransomware. So after restarting the computer, people see the results. So whenever you try to open the specific file, you get this message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the baud extension. The same applies to all other files encrypted by this horrible ransomware. The ransomware then tells the victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery. But paying the ransom is not a good solution. This does not guarantee that the files would be restored. Don't pay the ransom and don't waste the money. What I recommend you to do is immediately researching your computer with Combo Cleaner Anti-Ransomware. You may get it on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and then start researching and investigating your system. Combo Cleaner will be initially in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. So then the program will begin scanning, researching and investigating your system. You will see the summary of the threats which were revealed on your computer during the scan. And while the scanning is taking place, please pay careful attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. It allows you to add one or several folders that will always be protected against ransomware attack. But this feature is a part of the premium license only. So you need to wait some time until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully completed. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. I recommend that you upgrade to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected.